another video which answers a question that I got asked in a recent demo of AdapTable or AG Grid extension, and that is it possible to prevent fat finger errors when using an adaptable action row? So let me explain the question. Essentially, we provide action rows. These are these buttons here. You can also do create, delete and clone, but usually it's edit. And the idea is when you click this edit button, AdapTable provides you with a form that allows you to edit safely, because when you click save, it can either be a direct edit into AG Grid, or it can be via an event that is published, which means you can subscribe to it, go to your backend, do validation and all sorts. So these action rows are a nice, safe way of managing data entry. And what this user wants to do, imagine they've got a financial grid where they've got notionals of 5, 10 million, etc. He wanted to be able to literally write 5M to become 5 million. So when he types M here, he wanted that to be million, because otherwise, you know, you can kind of forget how many zeros have I got and get all confused, and then obviously you create problems. So the answer is you can do that in AdapTable. They're done through shortcuts, and in fact a shortcut, when it is operative, works in an action row, as we'll see, but in fact can also work in line. So let's first create a shortcut so we can see what we mean. And in this example here, we'll do what the user wanted, M for a million. So we'll create a new shortcut. You can do it for all columns, that's very, very rare. You can do it for a particular column, or you can do it for a data type. We will do it for all number columns, and then simply you select the key that will be the shortcut. So in this example, it's M, and you select the operation, add, subtract, multiply, divide. In this case, it's multiply, and what you will multiply it by, which is a million, 1. So here we do need to be careful, but that's now the only time. And that now says if I put M inside any numeric column, it will multiply the value by a million. So we can see that if I type M here, that becomes that million, or if I type 4M, it becomes like that. And as the user wanted, they can in fact make this column here editable, so you can't edit directly in line, but when I go into my action row, I have the same thing. I can do 4M, and there we are. I have now, every time I press M, it multiplies the cell value by a million. So there we are. You can use shortcuts in AdapTable to multiply cells or divide or do whatever you want using keystrokes to avoid fat finger errors and to have greater control over what's done. And if you create one, it's available if you edit inline, and also available if you create an adaptable action row. As always, thank you for watching. Any questions, please get in touch. We'll like to hear from you. We can also give you a one-to-one demo so you can see AdapTable for yourself, or indeed provide you with a free, no obligation trial license. Thank you for watching.